Scanty.
Seer.
Oh man, didn't you see me?
I saw you walk past.
You saw me you saw me walk past.
I saw you.
Not even a hi.
Seer, I saw you. You greeted me. I said, Seer.
Oh, Scanty, don't do that. You know we are friends.
Seer, you're not friends.
You are friends, and we are friends, and at the same time, you are my delivery lady. You've been delivering gifts to my wife.
I be your delivery lady. You want. Seer, don't do that.
I want what?
You didn't do anything.
Wait, I forgot. Let me ask you. I hope you gave the ice cream to Precious.
Guys.
Yeah, because since yesterday I've not seen her around to know if whether you gave it to her.
She's at the hostel. She's washing.
I hope she took it.
The ice cream, Seer.
Yeah, she ate it, right? So don't talk about it. Yeah,
she ate it.
Then I can say you did a good job. Wow. So what's up?
Where are you going? Yeah, I'm going to the pharmacy. I'm going to Seer. Yesterday, hey.
The teachers, Eh, for the teachers there, I get to relax. That's how they are. They'll be
teachers, baby. Teachers on my day. Then I just wait my. Miss me young passy. I'm before Dimpilolu. Hey,
dining no.
Not dining.
What's the school? My woman, I'm in the dining no. Then be a Mexican. Yes,
Gary na Mary. Me di Gary mother.
And I'm out with team.
And then me yam na team Seer. Me kasa levels because so me yam. Sa levels me ntiase.
And maybe sa we test and here o mom go yeme.
Na me bisa do no one cash change me. But Seer high school na the man. First one. I say
do come sister Precious.
Precious. I say o man bi cashe.
And now I'm ice cream bi cashe.
Me now.
Yeah, so that no go and cashe am.
Ti. Once na we dinner, Seer na me say me nkoto bola na eyi nchire ma no na me kota free mo chire o. I say me di wona ni mu.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, me kota free mo chire because no as I don't know wo dia o ha me ni mpo ti no. Ba as ba kono dia na second one am dey call no.
Obi bi ni fanfula. Bon.
Seer say waka sam se me ni baby a. Me ko hu ne von no.
I'm bisa for the last time.
Fatoti. The second one at the man. See you. I say be an ebo apa say like I say me share da o man shada me man shada. But me say be dey kono. Na bi ka chem say. O say separation so me Seer. Me penance wo da makoma so. Makoma so crash. See, wo da makoma so. But me dey abne ko na me hwese bia na bibi kakra bi bom a enye mana. Sa me pesen ka me nson hwe. On say bibia say ewo bi ba na ka ma chiama no as me don so me don relationship no. Me pese ba ko be wu. Na ka me cash am. Seer me atre ba ko pe. Ako pe na ti. Ye me shisa.
Bonwa akete.
Seer.
Yeah. Now, also pharmacy be na di kan ko ma odo.
Esura. And ko ana me na am hostel me be buash na stay because pharmacy be share to the main family rights.
The old school nature wana.
Nice pharmacy.
The old school nature wana. Onim. So unko e bibia anka o sanwochi na kono ho. Your chef pharmacy no so. Your ton adun ma na ko danase.
Ade.
Otu charge wo.
I know it ade.
Akete. So the 2 minutes. I mean quite RIP.
My day.
RIP.
Yeah. Me pharmacy wa me kikem.
Yeah, school ma me wicked.
No nim kura chere. Ba me stubborn.
Me a silent mafia. So,
Seer.
me ma ice cream first one say for come Precious na from fully me na kwatina baby na odi ye. And I buy na be jana why one ketketa na time me da come na me dey man say.
As me be say oh trying to me so my dignity Jesus me. You're trying to no don't do that.
Na be second one.
Now the call my dignity. Trust it. Oh, Seer, don't do that. Trust me.
Say enya happen be do na bo kokko by ni na say fast than na ma pharmacy run.
What the bam kokko? How?
Me say me the bo kokko. Ana nya kokko kra there fast than ma pharmacy run.
Because I'm in Tiasi.
Some in school my school uniform adane black.
Seer, that was so come shima says I wish me
ade mi chiro wi asian so bi bogu mi kwase a.
Na kwase bo be na wadi we me yeye ma osuma me deliver.
Why then?
Me deliver.
Who deliver ma why? Who deliver my wine?
Wine house man, precious. Wow, you.
The same, uncle.
Oh, senior, relax. Hey, senior.
Uncle, sorry, uncle, so deliver. Uncle.
I don't know. I just found her. Amma. Where did you see her? Amma. Akete, I have to here. Call the headmaster. The headmaster. Anyone you see, any authority, please. Be fast. Amma, let's try and lift her up. Can we lift her up? Hey. Amma, wake up. Hey, this one we can't lift her up unless we wait. Let's go. She's not fast. She will die. Headmaster! The only one here. Don't die, oh! Who's that? Aroma! There is good news!
Is what?
Good news!
Good news.
Oh, give me a Thanksgiving song. Oh, sing a song and let's sing. There is good news!
Good news?
Yes!
Why? What is it?
So you not sing the song?
Let
me tell you. Maybe afterwards you'll be happy.
Alright, what is it?
We found Britta. Britta has been found.
Dead or alive?
Oh, alive. Why would I be happy?
Britta is alive!
Yes! She's in the hospital right now. I saw her with my naked eyes.
Britta came back!
Yes!
Jesus Christ of Nazareth.
Aren't you happy? Oh yeah, shocked.
Let's go there.
Let's go there
right now.
I want to take your book.
You let's go.
Oh, Aroma, calm down. Let us walk here.
Hurry up.
No.
Where are you going? Hey, Precious. Where are they going? Why are they in a rush? Because of Precious who cry, are they? Aroma and then on person chemu school one. Oh, advice me so ni enemy says, "Oh, I be some against that didn't duplicate for me. Cause I'm more cry."
Ronaldo, boss. Hope to the man what my now clean the boss, my BBR clean boss. If you're telling so be a home, oh boss, me not to be on can of beer on she you to an fast neck will be a boss. So mission is capital on your day. I'm boss. From so to be to be number of natural. So na pani no so to me do no. Oh, pani me the war power. Some you need to on crowd cannot go be a boss. No the main person to be afraid man who be matter boss. Be and we see Jimmy D. If some boss ma won dey let me aye. Yeah, boss me do with my problem. Be and we so that. But you be a clean boss. Not so. Let me that's.
Precious. Wow. What's going on? Why were you in a rush with Aroma? Where were you going? That you couldn't even talk to me. I was talking to you and you were not even minding me.
But I told you I was in a hurry.
You didn't tell me. You didn't tell me we were in a hurry.
I said it. I was like, we are in a hurry.
You didn't say it. You just walked away. You just walked away.
You didn't hear. I told you I was in a hurry.
Precious, you didn't tell me anything. You just walked away with you, and I was even shocked. Huh? You know you are my girlfriend, so at least if there is anything, you should have told me, huh?
Adams, I'm not your girlfriend.
But
I'm not your girlfriend.
Who are you to me?
Is that why you think I owe you any explanation? I don't owe you any explanation. Your girlfriend is the one in the hospital. Your baby mama, she's the one in the hospital. You should go and look for her.
Who is at the hospital? Which baby mama?
Who is your baby mama? Why you have several baby mamas?
I'm just talking about the two of us and not talking about my baby mama. But she's nowhere to be found, you know.
She is in the hospital. Britta is in the hospital.
Britta is at the hospital?
Yes.
Which hospital? And when did she come?
If you cared, you would have known by now. You should have been the first person to know to come and deliver the information to us. And you are here asking me.
So questions. was it that why you came to tell Aroma?
Yes.
But Precious, you know you're my girlfriend, so I'm the first person you're supposed to tell me.
Adam, huh? Stop that. Stop that. I don't like that. I've warned you several times.
Like, you let's put that aside. Which hospital is Sama?
I don't know. If you want to know, you should find out.
If you don't know, then how did you come to tell Aroma?
And besides, yes, I came to tell Aroma because you guys held him responsible. Meanwhile, he wasn't. So why do you think I should have told you? I wanted him to know that he was innocent. I wanted everybody in the school to know that he was innocent. So I came to tell him so that he will go there with excitement. But you know how worried he has been.
You know he's my younger brother.
And so?
And you are my girlfriend.
I'm not your girlfriend. I'm not your girlfriend, Adams.
So between me and Aroma, whom were you supposed to give this information first?
Aroma. Because people still think that he is not innocent. So he had to prove his innocence.
Precious, what's going on between you and Aroma?
There is nothing going on. There is nothing going on. I just don't want to have any form of relationship with you. But I don't mind Aroma being my friend.
So just tell me, which hospital is he? Is she?
You can find out.
Huh?
But you can find out yourself. It's all over the school. Go and ask others. I'm not the one to tell you that. Please, this is the last warning. Don't ever call me your girlfriend again. That's all.
Precious, calm down now.
Schoolers. Know what to say?
Very awesome.
I know what to say.
I want to say.
I know what to say.
Who do you have? Who do you have?
It's me. What to say?
Na it is a mobile jenya dey na mo jenya.
Na say me be hwe me nua.
Wo be hwe nu enti den. Wo be mufiri anko. Mufiri anko na me maso mu ndwome. That's it. Mufiri anko. Mufiri anko.
Let's ma go inside there.
Chepepe penny. Wo be ti akọ infa inside.
Enti ma mi go inside na dey.
Akọ inside akọpe den.
Enti mi ni ada ha no pese me nye den. Sabi wo ma me na da na nko yare anka wo me hwe no. Come on, me di no.
Etu wo betimi abekire me de me.
Oh, masa ma jade wo ye me nua na da o. Me nua na da.
So ani nsade o stumu a na nya me so. Me hire me office. Wo timi me chem de me nya me office. What do you mean?
Betimi akwa na antimi nko.
Wo betimi akwa. Wo beti akwan.
Schoolers, enye mami show me lifestyle.
Ade na betimi akwa.
I swear, don't frustrate me.
And I swear from heaven and earth. Wo timi nya she.
Don't push my temper.
Try.
Don't push my temper. I'm telling you the truth.
Gotcha. What bother me? Do be able to find down? Come me bomb this said.
Let me right side now.
What right side? I compare them.
Timi ni ada na mami nko.
Who ni ada if I dey na akwa no. Hey, gotcha. So what you them 5.
Mami go inside.
Why go inside?
Yes, I didn't want to rush me pro.
Ube pra me.
Me pro mo ko dem here nche o tese na me ka cho.
Me kwa me wo. Hey, we am dance for. We am dance for. So what would your head? We am dance for. So what did they make at home? What is ya? Ko answer is ya. Na kwa me won man won pane boni kwa na me nyenye me a. Pane boni. Me won pane boni pa ku. Hey, who dey show me ba? Any pay you say didn't ba den akure team. We are aware. It's any ba one no.
No.
Cheese. How did I want person be can correct?
Oh, I didn't see anything like that. I just came to meet her there.
Hey. Akura we pa mumpa de school mu pa de we akura bia we go ye hu on asa we akura papa bia ma asa akura bia wo ye akura papa bi wo ye se dem si hu se o si akura papa minim so ye good girl aye busa asem bia na ko chichim de nim kura na wo de akeka ho na asem mu ye de na ehwam ma hu de meye no wo de wo ye wo he mi hu we de minyusuma wo ye criminal papa.
It's not what you want to hear that I'll say. I'm telling you my honest truth.
My honest, into to you honest.
Yes.
Oh, for some flock, oh, you're honest. Oh, to you honest. Huh?
So if I didn't see it, I should lie and tell you I saw it. So that you can go and gossip. That's not what I saw.
Hey!
What I saw is what
who framed me, say?
Oh.
Hey! Who now what? Me who framed me gossip. Me school nice and me school and me shemono. I will show my who to frame me gossip. Who treats what?
Oh, school names.
Me gossip.
Why are you insulting me?
Now, the kind as
why do you want me to say things I didn't see? Just because you want to go and tell people what you didn't see, you can't even lie and tell them that you are the one who saw it. Me or you're not the one who saw it. Come on.
Who yari ebra me bre ebini? Who yari ebra me mo? No, me shemu ye mu bia yare me say me nya da je kwase me hwe ni.
What are you even doing? These other nurses that are even working. You are just I don't know what you are even doing.
Hey! Who
somebody is being sick. We don't bring the person to the sick bay. We send the person to the hospital. Then you wear your uniform and come.
It's there. Because of say school money good equipment. Some more good equipment for Hanuma.
Good words, equipment.
Hey! Me do ya mabu.
Schoolness the equipment.
Cheap ne. Mumu school mo dey apparatus be na mo ha.
Say equipment. I want change word no. We be equipment.
Hey, me do who dey WhatsApp for me so ah.
Oh.
Who do WhatsApp for me so hu ni yi o. Me nye so ni ma.
See
man so kwa
I told you what I saw. So go and tell the people that you want to go and gossip to that. Pressure saw her on the floor.
Hey, adabe hu me abeka gossip same be mo. The me je okra unni. Ubro ni time wate. Bro ni phone.
So I just saw a taxi parked and they forced Amma out and drove out. That was all.
Just saw a taxi parked and they pushed her out of the taxi.
Yes.
Just like that.
Yes.
Did you see the registration number of the car?
No, sir.
No. The thing is, I don't understand it properly because you are not explaining things better. Did you get
closer? I was just going to get snacks, so I was getting my snacks and I saw like someone shouting, so I decided to go closer. Then the taxi drove out like speed.
Meaning when they pushed her out of the car,
yes,
she was okay because she was able to shout.
Yes, but he was shouting but not in a good state. So I choose to help her.
And you mean you did not see anyone sitting in that taxi?
No.
And
it was tinted, so
taxi came to the school. He drove through the main entrance.
Yes, sir. I was just getting snacks, so definitely.
So you sent her to the hostel?
Yes, please.
And how was she? Did she walk with you?
She was just screaming, and he was not in the good state at that moment, so I didn't choose to ask her what's wrong with her, what's going on.
The reason for me asking you this is, you see, if we decide to lodge a complaint at the police station, since you are the one who helped her, you'll be called to, answer some questions. And I would like to know exactly what happened. You see, before you meet the police. If in case we decide to do that.
Okay.
But meaning it's not safe here anymore. You have to do something about the security, because if a taxi unknown car can drive in and pick a student and decide to come and dump the student anywhere they want, it's not safe. Well, thank you very much. Whatever be the case, if I need further explanation, I'll call you.
Alright, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, me the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso we meya. Me pesa me come any months so
see na akra na ban. See pade pa na wo ye. See ama brete wa bo. Ye mbompa ise ne ho beto no. So wa ban ne nko ade obi anim so wa ba. Waban ko de bi ni so ba school mo se de yesi adwodwo emu ateti mu areho mi ko mu ntokokra makoma ma okra nya asem keto na akra we hu nti abe fa me de me ko ade makoto says the hankop egu mi nsa adwodwo mi jojo hunu kwa
ade de na agu nsa
de hankop na re kan say wa bodam na me ka hankop nya sa na obi aka hankop ye kan say no wa kwa keto abetutu mi panyu betutu ma no abe ensema pie akwa ye bagze se hwa atete wa fam ese pese ope bibi na wo ye ese ope bibi na wo ye ese die na abaye
my G
hwe ma menka asem kiro sa ma G no sa kwa fon tantana onom school mu na hwe akwa no ba school mu am kam se mkwa ni nya nwomo wa tra school mu atra kwa sasem kwa hwe ma memma wa dwem unim tete no na se dada no de o teten kwa na wunya no baabi a wo de dada ne nkasa boko no kete so mai brana me nkonam ko ya de ma wo bisew zi yeminu asumdwe kwan so on se yeminu yemfa asumdwe for don tena itimi sro bram pese me no kudi nkomo sa ta dada no apedade bi na se dua kesi na de ato afiche baabi wo dada wo ni duru wo na ke mai entiwa nkwasa sema wudi ye wo nwie afia wa bai edie na wo ka kire me wo kan kwasa sem bia so okay sa mate odani nani anu ma ba no su kwa ni kwachi bonu kuno
na wasan akwa se me na me kun no na boa
debi ni were me ba ke o me kan ye dai me ba ke o se bet eto de de ko de frem na me gina chiri ma wo ne fa bono
I told him said this day will come me catch my J say adane beba na adane bana so no my J ni hu se na break ani me ho a he will face the consequences
entoko we de ne ke se ye me kun entoko we ne ke se fight ye me fight hey
well schoolness meka say adwembone na wo de hye metim de na so meka se me da ase
me ka sem papa cho say adwembone wo so abodama na so wagim me ka sem papa cho be boa na be ye ne wadi nkunu ka tem se me adwembone na mdi show tirim na adwembone ne de yin
nurse my sign bond enuti na my calm schoolness is so me didi matem. Because what you're saying, if right now, if I'm to record what you're saying, let's say me could play the police for now, will you be happy?
Me bo was mama ntasi ayo. Wasia kwa me ka asma cho ka asem papa cho be fe be boa no. Wo sa be ka tell me say me influence, dey influence and me influence you.
Oh mate.
Me ka asem papa cho fa na mwo ne timi ya de ni ne say akọ waji me wo bonu kuna enko bia ni we be ko.
My J. Me ka je no.
Ewi ase pa ye ni enya ntokwa kase pa ye bekunu ye nyu ye ni enya ntokwa kase ye bekunu na me pa na nkasa wo we beto me na so a my J kam ni school mu a ko jira fase na mi jira fase na ka bom ni ye titen
well unim mamenko yeah I don't want to talk much because me can minim say me ma hu me move a wo kro bit me san ko ka my J so o si abo be na se na kuse nyina hye ni tiri
me my J krom school mu e wo no my J wonu ni me tamfo kase pa sa akora no minyane pa 101 pasa menini tie gina hey
well me kuse nyina hye ni tiri
hwe fa wate
mate
Fafa futu nam de ma na akora mehwe na say ne ho beto no wate untime hwe na ma ne ho to no soro na bibia ye boko wate
Pacho mate
koi besen ko
Doctor na behwe no see eye ye say ja what was this so to gas some say maybe oxygen say be insan say be a trauma no community na
Doctor no patch say no beton.
Oh, so be okay saying to begin
And how long?
Hey, na dey be yan pupon ma how long go be?
Ye kan e bisa asem bia no to phone. Ya wa ha ye kan o say dey me na me ye. Na e bisa question so aso we nyan popon. E dey pa na pese ye wo.
Ah, na headmaster, asem e bisa me dey. So say
doctor
very soon. No beton very soon, no beton minim so chino say chinechi say minim.
Na say na ye ko so kwa woni.
Minim say nye dey an ho beton no. E dey ada obede wa na. Hey,
oh, dear, Nipadi wa chia ho, obayin pa boni ni.
Ni nipa boni say. School for nko anso bi o mu di ha koni abo.
But so hwe ni my muli. Mama school for no na ba hasa. Because the more mo ba na tension possible. But me dey. And I can so say bi kasa do. Any man was maybe grading in the phone or betray their to social media.
Listen, I didn't call me, give so crown also mumra.
Member catch students sell mumra. As a matter of concern, mobile, apart from girls too now, you almost say, I don't know, no more paper, no anything. Or Mama can remember be a my view.
Sending you know, you couldn't time say, you know.
On the same union, quite be also a celebration in university. But aside,
no back at Suma,
sat me back team, aside, I need Perino, and not Akulabia and Rabi. Will be a back at chance I may say, Mobia and one until 7 so I okay. No turn about come, period. Then Peckers attending me.
The jail is Nigeria. Well, yes. Nigeria balance me a lot of credit. I Nigeria na about when you are. Now, when you're in a school, my name is Nigeria. I'm about school, I'm about like, am I right when you're brave? What first? What bounce was still as a really good news. And I know best of ever. Adams. Oh, now we're okay. Mimi nyane da hospital na mimi sese mi nyane wo beto me no. Wa be gina eke ni ji aseme boa. So good news ne se waba. But you say you name so hospital. Nti no waba no the hospital at least a good news. Tafeni ye mo mpa ni hu step e be take care no beto no because only one step only one take. Adams only one step. You will film. Na me ni mfa na nya me wife. Me na ba you will film. E wo ni na me so wife o. What put down? How dare you? What's the name? David, huh? David, what's the name? Why, I'm your new assignment for my wife. Adams, we don't know me. So we made a mistake, Adams. I didn't make you want to see no. No, I mean, you come in a half free walk. Say me, you're the best. Come on, I'm a cat. You're catch on. I can't tell you. Adams can bring you now, man. Sounds the woman. What be saying be my wife who be room akoma. You want to expose my heart. Adams. We here I'm trying to come here be see wa no. E pia ne be last. I do school mu am tonya me. My queen. My unu ya no me ni ba na. Unu ni wa ba. Me ni wa ba me dey no. Unu I am ba just a ba. Me ni wa ba my wife no. Your baby mama. That be all. Bro, is my wife. Wa but damn say you she's your wife. She's not your wife. My sister is not your wife. Unfortunately, I love tell you this. Aroma, I know Christian is here about the semen. It's a foolish boy, no. I know the deal about the semen. I know the money and money every. I know about the semen. Hey, say here. So we free me, no. So we free me about you free, no.
A prayer me was swimming here no better. Just want to catch on.
Right. Me obi amene no ba, obi amene no ba de meet me twim free no why my wife. Me meet me twim.
On to be twim free no. On the taba wa chere wa.
Taba ma chere si.
Ah? Yeah.
Bra.
Baby,
Boy, me sisi me. Boy, oya makunta chai de oya no fata.
My only Samsung boost, try some. Try some mubio. My wife on your last one, 2 regime. Ah, come, something. Oh, God. Danny, Mama, help you. I don't why you should move? Maybe why I should move Adams. But sometimes I say, oh man, so me boy. Mate, alright. Alright.
Hey, Precious, what's up?
I called for you because I had something really important to inform you.
Oh, okay.
The lady, Britta,
yeah, the missing girl.
Yes. We found her.
You found her?
Oh, I meant to say she has been found.
Okay.
And now she's at the hospital.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Since when?
It hasn't been that long. I knew.
So Britta is back in the school?
Yes.
And at the hospital?
Yes.
What's wrong with her?
I think she had collapsed when they met her.
And the school authorities has never thought of informing me?
That's why I called you here, because I feel like maybe I don't know why they are reluctant to tell you, but I feel like they have to tell you. So
definitely, it's a must. It's a must because the case is under investigation, so she can't be present without me knowing, without them letting me know. So
I think you have to visit the hospital because we have to prove that Aroma is not at fault here.
I will do that. I will definitely visit the school. I have to check on her.
Please don't mention my name.
Oh, no. I will not mention your name.
Oh,
From here, I will call Mr. Iddi and I must visit the school right now. I don't know what they are keeping from me. I don't know what they are hiding. So, I have to.
I know how police officers you are. You say no, we will not. Then you mention my name.
We don't sell our informants out. I will not mention your name.
Okay. Because if you do, I would have to leave the school.
Precious. I will protect your integrity, okay? I need not to expose you to the authorities. But I must meet Sir Chance and the Mr. Iddi, the headmaster. I have to meet the school authorities because that's not right. That is not right. Even the moment that she entered the school, they should have reported it to me. Do you understand? It's very wrong. It's very wrong that I don't know whether they are hiding her or since when. For how long has she been to school?
I can't really tell, but it hasn't been long.
Okay, by a couple of days, right?
Yes.
It's very illegal. I will know what to do about it.